Hey family, this is Sugar from c.wsugarinspirations&designs. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be embellishing plain bath towels. I'm going to be adding fabric trim, tassel trim, and maybe even some beaded trim so that I can let my guest towels be a little bit more elaborate. Also, just have other options. To me, they get washed. They kind of look a little bit old, and then I want to get fresh new towels to use as my designer towels. So in order to not have to buy new ones all the time, I'm just gonna add some beautiful trim and see if that won't spice them up. So stay tuned for that. And before we get started, I wanna thank you for stopping by if you're new to my channel. If you like what you're looking at, please feel free to subscribe and become a part of the family. I'm always excited when new people join. And also to my current subscribers, thank you. Thank you, thank you. I am always happy when you make comments, hit the thumbs up, or just even subscribe. It's such an exciting thing for me. So thank you so much. I'm excited about what the channel is gonna become. I'm still, I guess, almost a year coming up in May. And so, yeah, I'm really excited that I can still do this every Sunday. Oh my God, I missed one Sunday, but then on that particular Sunday, I had posted on Thursday because it was Christmas Day. So I'm excited, and I'm gonna see where it's gonna go. So thank you so much, and let's stay tuned for how to embellish your plain bath towels. Okay, so family, I'm at Hobby Lobby. I came in to get a couple of more pieces of trim. I have some at home, but I wanted to do a little bit extra and show some variety of colors that you could possibly use, or at least, I know you have a variety of towel colors, so I just wanted to show you all of the many colors that they have. Some are much more embellished, some are kind of plain, so it just depends on what you like. They start about $1.99 a yard, actually $1.49, some of them, and up to $9.99. But anyway, check them out. They're pretty cool. I just like a variety, but I will be checking out the clearance section now because I just want to get a few things, because the one I had before I showed you in another video, those were very, very nice. So I will be using them using them since my primary color is red. Okay, family, so I have my towels in front of me and my tassel that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I went with the cream color. So I'm going to be using the tassel, of course. Liquid stitch. Love it. And I have my scissors to cut my tassel. And that's really all you need. Now, what I want to talk about is the tassel. When you're looking, as I showed you, there's a variety of tassel trim. They have the large ones, the small ones, and this is actually some guest towels for the guest room that are kind of seeing its day. And you see a little frayed from washing, and they kind of draw in. See how it kind of puckers around. So you always want to, now I just use them for guests. But you notice this is really elaborate. It was very pretty 10 years ago. So we're gonna do fresh, but I wanted you to just see what just a little embellishment would do to this plain color. Imagine that, if this was the color of your bathroom. Now, I'm showing you this one because you know how the towels on the ends have the little embroidered areas? So you want to pay attention to that. So I would have to kind of be strategic and place it here or in the middle or the bottom, but you don't want the tassel to hang outside of the towel. So, you know, just take a look at that when you're getting towels or you have towels. And so you want to make sure your trim band is really thick. So like this is the beige. This is similar to the color I'm going to do today, but it fits right nicely into that little nook. Imagine this was the color of your bathroom. You have blue. Isn't that pretty? That's really pretty. And here's a lime green. I don't see too many lime green towels. I think that would be really pretty to have in your guest room or your master. And then this beautiful blue. That would be really pretty as well. So those are just our colors that we can use with this color that I have. Now this is what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to show you, I'm going to just kind of outfit a black and a cream color with the cream tassels. And also I'm going to just do my own red towels. Now this has a big band, but I'm going to use my beautiful tassel. So I'm going to show you that on the time lapse. But I think that is going to be really pretty to put in my current guest bathroom. I think I'm going to put them down here. So it'll be right at the top of the edge, the hem of the towel. So yeah, it's just a matter of placing it in a strategic place. So yeah, let's get started. And I'm going to glue this trim on in a time lapse. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the towels with the ivory colored tassel. It turned out really nice. If you have that color in your bathroom, that would be great. But I have the red, and I wanted to use the green and red and gold tassel that I had, and it actually worked well with the Cross Seal Galleria shower curtain. The green blend in, you know. So anyway, I think it turned out really nice. Let me know what you think, and why don't you try it, adding some trim to your plain bath towels and making them into the elaborate bath towels, designer towels, or what have you for your bathroom. And also maybe send pictures. So thank you for watching. I want you to have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.